What's going on, you guys? You got Mike here from Mike's Money Tips coming at you today. Coming at you with a quick video about how to make some extra money. You know, it's it's a real simple process. Don't have to have any real skills in order to make this extra money. And if y'all stick around at the end, I'll show you a way to take that extra money and convert it into something that can make you a passive income to let you quit your 9 to 5 job. It's what I've been doing and been learning. Without without it, I probably wouldn't know what I'm doing now. So um, let's get started. Oh, by the way, if y'all like what I'm giving you, do me a favor, like and subscribe. And I always try to give y'all value about how to make money here. Whether it be free or whether it be paid ads or whatever, I try to show y'all how to make money. So, as y'all see here, I'm on People Per Hour. It's if y'all don't know what it is, it's a freelancer website. It's where you can go put in gigs to make extra money, whether it be programming or blog writing or whatever you want to do, writing ebooks, whatever. You can make extra money on this website. But what I'm going to show you today, I'm also going to show you a free software in order to teach you how to do this. So if you don't have any skills, you can do it on your own to make some extra money. I think it's a pretty good idea. Just my opinion. It is what it is there. But, anyway, let me go over here, search. What you do, you go to search and then search offers. That way you come in and you see where you're going. As you see down here, there's a bunch of different stuff you can do, like logo designs and logo design. Lord, this is logo designs right here on the front page. But I've put out videos about that too if y'all want to go back and look for it. But what you're going to do up here, you're going to look for background. As you can see, I've already done this. Removal. And you can see here, this guy right here is charging $35 for 100 images, $10 for 20 images, $10 for 20, $10 for 50. If I was y'all, what I would do, I'd make multiple ads here to do multiple amounts. That way everything, this one right here, cut out and removed and replacement background image. 1 through 50 of them and he's done 187 at $25 a piece. Y'all can do the math on that. Matter of fact, let me pull that up. I'm curious. Well, it's over $2,500, almost $5,000. So, because 2,500 at 100 a piece. So, let's see, is 187 times 25. He made $4,675. And let's see if he's got any upgrades or anything you can buy. Yeah, he's got add-ons here. Do 200 images for an extra 100. Do another 100 for an extra 50. So yeah, he's making good money doing this. So as y'all can see, y'all can make decent money doing this. It's a relatively easy project. But the website in which I'm going to show you for the free software, they've got a paid plan too. I'll show y'all that. But to get started, you don't need nothing but the free software. As you see with the free software, you upload an image, read the API docs. You can do 50 of those and an image up to 10 megs. The pricing on this Let me show you. The subscription plan, if you do 40 a month, is $9. You know, this is the reason why people do choose to pay or charge for it, because it does cost, you know, 2,800 images. But if you did 2,800 images at, what would that do? Charging 200 at $100 a piece. That would, if you got 4 of those, that'd only be 800. So the other 2,000 would be profit, and it's only $400. So, you know, hey, it's pretty good deal. But as we see, wrong thing. Okay, so how it works for individuals. What this is, you know, like on Amazon especially, they want a white background for whatever, right? I thought it would have went the other way. You know, like this right here shows you that it be transparent, and you just you do it with a single click. Don't take a lot of time. You can even add new backgrounds and effects. Stunning results. Integrates workflow. Let's upload an image. See what it does. Select the image. I'm going to show y'all this ain't hard to do. Let's do that. Well, why did it do that? Okay, I don't know what it's doing, but anyway, y'all get the idea. Y'all just click on this right here, and it makes it transparent, and then you can make other stuff here. I don't know why it didn't work right, because I don't want examples. I hit upload image. I know I did. Y'all saw me do it. Try this one more time. If it don't work, I'll go to show y'all what y'all can use that money for. I really want it to work though, because let's do that with wheel clapping again. And it takes me back to the same page. What's this up here at the top though? Maybe that's what I'm missing. I don't know what that is. I don't know. Maybe it's my computer, fellas. Yeah, it just keeps doing that. But anyway, you know, I told y'all I'd show you something that you could use the money on. I've looked high and low for a lot of things over the years, how to make money online. this is where I've come to. What it is, it's a 15-day business challenge. They'll show you how to set up your own profitable business. They'll even give you a coach um, to help you do it. Their daily wake up calls Monday through Friday, one-on-one business call with your advisor. So like I said, they give you that. They give you a assessment. That way they know where you're at. And you get all this for $7. Not $7 a month, just $7. As you see, the first one here is 55 minutes long. Day 2 is 45 minutes long, if it'll go. All of them is roughly an hour long. I'll go ahead and tell you each day is. But it's packed full of information that will help you out and show you everything. And if y'all are interested in this, I'll have the link in the description. It'll be the first link in the description. That way y'all can learn how to do it, how to sell products online, or be a life coach, or what's the other one? There's another one too they teach you. Anyway, your advisor will go over all that. Of course, I'm an affiliate marketer, so they just teach me how to sell stuff online. But you know, if there's multiple, I think they even do e-com, but don't hold me to that. But you know, it is what it is. I think it's probably one of the best programs out there. It's definitely one of the most in-depth that I've seen. It's a beautiful thing. It's Legendary Marketer. It's like I said, I'll leave the link in the description. That way y'all can go and check it out. But you know, anyway, until tomorrow, we'll talk to you later.